Hello, dear beauties. Very warm welcome to all of you on the journey of fashion and style with Safeera Nas. So, dear beauties, I hope so you all are fine, good, enjoying the very good conditions of your health. So, here today in my today's video, you are going to find out more than the plus styles and designs of skirts outfit. So, these skirts are the very styles collection of clothes for enhancing your styles and look for your different styles for your different events, for your formal events, for your casual outings, for your work wears, for your formal events, for your party wears. You are going to find out maxi skirts, A-line style skirts, maxi skirts, hem skirts, layer style skirts, ruffle work style skirts, midi skirts, net fabric style skirts, chiffon fabric, cotton fabric, silk fabric, with beautiful styles and designs of top blouses. You will get the ideas how to style your different skirts with your different tops, with your different blouses, or with t-shirts for your different looks and styles. All over print style skirts, plain fabric style skirts, patchwork skirts, lace fabric style skirts, while enhancing your styles and look in 2025 for your different look for your different events. Pencil skirts and midi skirts are the best for your work wears. Maxi skirts, layered skirts, long maxi style skirts are best for your formal events, for your party wears. I hope so, dear beauties, dear girls, you all are going to love the styles and designs of skirts outfit. So must watch video till the end. I love all these styles, I love all these designs, and I hope so that you will love these too. You will love these styles and designs of skirt dresses. If you are loving these styles and designs of skirt dresses, so please do like my video and then do share my video with your friends, with your relatives. And don't forget, if you are new on my channel, so please do also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. So after getting the notifications of my videos, dear beauties, you will never miss any idea, any collection, any style on my channel. I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content for you on daily basis. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section how was this video. How was these designs of different styles and types of skirt dresses? Tell me in the comment section which type of more collection, which type of more styles, which type of more dresses or more content will be useful and helpful for you. I try my best to make my videos according to your opinions, so much share your opinions in the comment section. I will be very thankful to you if you are going to share your kind opinions in the comment section. I have already uploaded a huge collection of dresses on my channel, so for more amazing ideas, for more collection, for more styles and designs, do visit on my channel and watch the other videos of styles and fashion of dresses. You will be find out maxi dresses, style designs, frock style dresses, skater dresses, mini dresses, mother after bride dresses, top blouses styles and designs, shoes collections, bags collections, crochet made style dress designs. So a lot of new styles, new designs you will be find out on my channel. So must visit on my channel and watch the other videos of dresses. I hope so those videos will also be useful and helpful for you. And you will get the new ideas, new styles, and new designs of dresses from those videos. Thank you so much for your kind support. Thank you so much for your positive feedback on my channel. So please keep supporting me, keep sharing my video for more amazing collection and styles. So goodbye dear beauties, goodbye dear friends, till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas, styles and design for you. So till then, take good care of yourselves. Goodbye. Don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also giving your feedback in the comment section. So enjoy the video till the end.